Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Wizard. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to make someone your best friend on Snapchat. So it's a simple process. All you have to do is to open your Snapchat application. So when you open your Snapchat application, it will be looking like this. So to make someone your best friend, first and foremost, you need to come to your profile section here in the left upper corner. Then tap on your profile icon. So after doing that, you have your profile all open. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down until you come to the friends section here. Then come and select my friends. Okay, so let's select this person here. This person is called Lynn. So let's make this person our best friend. So what you're going to do is to hold this person's name. Okay, so you tap on this person, then you hold just like that until it's highlighted like that. So when you do that, the first option is pin Lynn as your number one BFF, which means pin Lynn as your number one best friend forever, and you select that. Then after that, you just tap on learn more if you want to, okay, to just get more information about this, okay. But if you want to make this person your best friend, you just continue and you make her your best friend, okay. Thank you for watching. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video.